वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स वंस अगेन इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल केमिस्ट्री दंगल। आज हम उसी सीरीज में आगे सीखेंगे टेस्ट फॉर फर्स्ट ग्रुप फॉर बेसिक रेडिकल्स एंड वन एनायन। तो देखिए फर्स्ट ग्रुप में आपके मेनली जो दिया हुआ है सिलेबस में वो Pb2 पॉजिटिव आयन है, ठीक है। वो क्लास 12 के सभी बोर्ड्स में, चाहे ISC बोर्ड हो या कोई दूसरा बोर्ड हो, उन सभी में दे रखा है। वहीं पर यहाँ एनायन कौन सा होगा ये हमें टेस्ट करने के बाद ही पता चलेगा। तो इसके लिए एम क्या होगा और क्या मटेरियल्स रिक्वायर्ड होंगे वो यहाँ पर आप बोर्ड पर देख लीजिए। ये बोर्ड पर ये मटेरियल दिया हुआ है, इसको आप देख सकते हैं। दिया हुआ है एम और ऑब्जेक्ट टू आइडेंटिफाई वन कैटायन एंड वन एनायन फ्रॉम द गिवन सॉल्ट, ओके। और इसमें मटेरियल्स रिक्वायर्ड में देखिए, जो मटेरियल्स रिक्वायर्ड हैं उन मटेरियल्स रिक्वायर्ड में देखिए क्या क्या दिया हुआ है। गिवन सॉल्ट डाइल्यूट HCl, डाइल्यूट H2SO4, कंसनट्रेटेड H2SO4, इसके अलावा KI सॉल्यूशन, K2CrO4 सॉल्यूशन, FeCl3 सॉल्यूशन, इथेनॉल। साथ में जो आपके इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हैं उनमें टेस्ट ट्यूब होल्डर, ट्राइपॉड स्टैंड, बर्नर होल्डर, फिल्टर पेपर एटसेट्रा, ये सभी रिक्वायर्ड हैं। अब देखिए हम कैसे इस एक्सपेरिमेंट को परफॉर्म करें। तो सबसे पहले हम कैटायन के लिए टेस्ट करेंगे, ठीक है। तो टेस्ट करने के लिए जो प्रोसेस है वो मैं आपको यहाँ पर आगे ले चलता हूँ। सो स्टूडेंट, लेट मी परफॉर्म द एक्सपेरिमेंट इन डिटेल। We take a small amount of salt in the test tube and add dilute HCl. We are trying to find the first group of basic radicals. If precipitate is formed, then first group is present. You can see the precipitate is formed, but more precipitate is formed if we heat this material. So the precipitate is formed, you can see here. Now this precipitate is filtered by the help of filter paper. So you can see the precipitate, white colored precipitate is formed here, and the formation of this precipitate confirms that first group is present in the given salt. Now in first group, in your syllabus Pb2 positive ion is given, so we can perform the test for Pb2 positive. Now take this precipitate in a test tube like this, in a test tube, and then it is dissolved in water by boiling. So be it so that a clear solution is obtained. Now you can see the precipitate is clearly dissolved and a clear solution is obtained. So we can confirm the presence of Pb2 positive ion by the following test. Divide this solution into three parts for the testing of it. Here I can divide the solution in three parts, and then in first part we add potassium iodide solution. If yellow colored solution is obtained, yellow colored precipitate is formed, then Pb2 positive is confirmed. Look here, the yellow colored solution is obtained, that is we can say that Pb2 positive ion is confirmed. Now one more test we can perform for the test of it. Add concentrated H2SO4 in one part of the solution, a white precipitate is obtained. A white color is obtained. You can see here this white color, lead sulfate. Lead sulfate is formed. It gives the presence or confirmation of the presence of Pb2 positive ion in the solution. Now in third part, potassium chromate solution, canary yellow color is obtained, give the presence of Pb2 positive ion. Look here, you can say golden yellow or golden yellow color is obtained. It gives the presence of Pb2 positive ion in the given salt. This is due to the formation of lead chromate in the solution. Now we can perform the test for anion by taking the salt in the pinch and add a small amount of oxalic acid solution to make the paste like this. And then by making the paste, smell it. If vinegar like smell comes out, that is acetate ion may be present. We take a small amount of salt in the test tube again and then add dilute H2SO4. Dilute H2SO4. If vinegar like smell on heating, if vinegar like smell comes out, that is acetate ion may be present. If acetate ion is present, we can confirm it by the following test. Take a small amount of salt in the test tube and dissolve it in distilled water properly so that a clear solution is obtained. By dissolving, add neutral FeCl3 for the confirmation of acetate ion. If wine red color is observed, then the presence of acetate ion is confirmed. You can see the wine red color is observed. So this is acetate ion in case of negative ion, यानी कि बेसिक जो एसिडिक रेडिकल्स हैं उसमें आपका ये क्या आ गया, एसीटेट. One more confirmation for acetate ion. Take a small amount of salt again in the test tube and then add few drops of concentrated H2SO4, and then add ethanol in it. And heat gently. On taking a smell, fruity smell is obtained. The fruity smell confirms that the presence of acetate ion, because here ester is formed by the combination of acetate ion and ethanol in presence of concentrated H2SO4, that is, it is an esterification reaction. So here the confirmation of acetate ion takes place. So in this way, today you learned about the acetate ion. More confirmation for acetate ion will be this: take a small amount of water in the china dish and then pour the solution formed during the reaction slowly and take the smell. Very pleasant smell comes out, confirms the presence of acetate ion. Okay, so this is the test for acetate ion. So today you learn about the test for acidic radicals for first group. In first group you learn about the Pb2 positive ion and its conformation, and for anion, that is acidic radicals, you learn about the acetate ion conformation. If you like this video, share it with friends, and if you not subscribed my channel till now, subscribe it for the notifications and new videos of the related to the practicals. Thank you and have a nice day.